Hi there and welcome back to episode number 6. I honestly thought that I would be done with this bike by this episode, but obviously got some problems. It's to be expected with a project like this. Now, in the previous episode, I was busy with the seat and I wanted to finish it in this episode, but unfortunately we do have some problems. The sewing machine that I used or tried to use wouldn't work with the leather. It kept slipping and it wouldn't take the thread. And I used to do a lot of leather work and I had all the tools, but I got rid of it when we came back from Thailand because it was just too heavy and I didn't have space. So I said, no, I'll buy new stuff. And now I need them. So what I did is I ordered new stuff, but it will only arrive next week, Wednesday. So I think in this video, we're going to leave the seat for now because I can't really do anything with it. So I'm going to focus on getting the battery mounted and then the speedometer in the front. And yeah, that's going to take us a step closer to finishing this bike and getting it on the road. I'm going to repurpose the other battery mount that came with the bike, but there's no way to actually bolt this to the frame. So what I'm going to have to do is I'll have to cut some metal out of this because this is the only metal I have. It's a little bit thick, but that's okay, we can use it. So I'm going to use this and then try and make something to just mount it in the inside where it's nice and fastened. So I'm thinking of placing the battery somewhere in the middle here. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just, there we go. So I'm going to place it somewhere in here, like in the middle. Obviously far enough away from the wheel so it doesn't touch. And there's nothing else that needs to go in the space. So it can like chill in the middle, I guess. So I actually wanted to weld this plate to the inside of the two bars here, but then I saw that there's this tab that I'm not going to use anymore because that, I think it was for the old seat. And yeah, this is actually a lot better because now I can remove the whole battery mounting if I do want to do more work to the bike, which is great. And I can remove it to actually spray paint it because otherwise I'll have to like grind everything down again and respray the spot of the frame and everything and get paint on the tank. Don't want to do that, so this is actually a lot better. The battery plate is busy drying, so I think let's move on to the speedometer. Now this should be pretty simple because there's already 2 bolts on the back of the speedometer and 2 bolts on the bike. So what I'm thinking is I'm basically going to place it here in the middle, cut 2 plates, and then just connect the arms, and that, I think that should be it. Looks pretty good. I think having it in the middle should look pretty nice and easy to read. I don't want it too low, kind of want it at an angle so it's easier to see. So yeah, let's do it. And the battery mount is in and it is looking really, really good. I am happy with how it turned out. Now, another thing that I'm not sure about is this small little cone filter. It doesn't have anything in the inside. And if I do ride on dusty roads, that might be an issue. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to repurpose the filter, or the original filter, and then just use the sponge, or whatever you want to call this, and I'm just going to shove that inside. I have to trim it a bit so that it fits inside, and then I'll listen to what it sounds like, because it is a little bit tinny, so hopefully with this it will kind of cancel that out. Not sure, but yeah, let's give it a try. And that's all the time I have for episode 6. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Really helps me out. And I'm happy with the progress that I've made in this video. So hopefully next video we can finish up the seat. And yeah, then we can start tackling the electronics one step closer at a time. So yeah, super excited. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.